What we do with chocolate, nobody else does, nobody else can. Choccywoccydoodah is an art and design focused chocolaterie that specialises in designing, making and selling things made from chocolate and cake. The right ingredients are essential. We buy good quality ingredients and then we create magic. Without good ingredients, without a firm foundation, nothing will ever taste good. One of our biggest secrets is how we sculpt with chocolate. It's a technique that we've devised ourselves and will never, ever be shared. You can come to us and request something that's specific for you, or we can suggest something that's made for you that we think is right. I'm proud of the fact that the people that work for me have managed to achieve so much, not just for the company, but for themselves. We're just on a wild adventure together, discovering new techniques, but doing it joyously with chocolate.